Expedition out into the blizzard of 2011. What a mess. About 6 to 8 inches of snow on the ground now. This is going to be easier said than done. This is a mess. So we have some tracks here guiding me around the block. Time. I'm going to go in a low gear. We're in first gear, 4-wheel part-time, swing in the corner. Corner once. Well, this is kind of ridiculous. But we got 8 inches.
I am on the other line with individual turquoise dogs.
Now that's a snow removal device. That's... I don't know what they'll call this. The Great Blizzard of 2011. Maybe it'll be the storm of the century, I guess. They used that back with the storm of '93, but that was last century. So, see what happens. Hopefully, maybe I can get through. Maybe I can't. I don't know what this guy's going to do. Maybe I shouldn't be driving down here. I don't know. Tough to tell.
Go ahead. Could be on this frequency or trouble.
Go over the overpass, which is certain to be frozen solid. In this case, the snow is probably helping that, keeping it from completely being an ice sheet, so that it's a snow sheet. So again, we have a low pressure system that is over the Arkansas, eastern Arkansas area, that is causing this.